Hey there! Welcome to Coding Cosmic. I'm so glad you're here. Ready to level up your tech skills? All right, let's begin. What is a terminal? Think of it like a secret chat with your computer. But instead of emojis, you type commands. Now, you might be thinking, why not just click? Well, terminals are faster, more powerful, and let's be real, we create the control. Okay, real talk. Terminology matters. Imagine trying to learn magic spells without knowing the words. Kinda tough, right? Same with coding. Now that you know what a terminal is, check out our next video. 8 bash commands to becoming a wizard. Trust me, you'll be casting magic in no time. Check the description for a study guide. I'll see you next time. Stay coding and stay beautiful.